Hi, I'm Steve Sinclair, and my wife and I, Susan, moved from Vermont 4 months ago. Pelican Point appealed to us for a number of reasons. We were really looking for a community that had a sense of place, and we wanted to be near the beach, but also realized we could get more value for the money a little bit farther away from the coastline. So it hit all the right buttons. Every step of the way was great. Everyone that we worked with, from the sales staff to the project manager during the construction phase, the folks at NVR Mortgage, everyone just went out of their way. I think though the benefits and the value at Pelican Point just can't be beat. For what you get for amenities versus the HOA, the type of house, we just absolutely love our house. And Ryan Holmes bent over backwards to make sure that our dream became a reality. I think if you really were to look around, you weren't going to find a better community than Pelican Point.